Are you wanting a brand new home in a wonderful community that you can have so much fun in because it offers so many amenities, but you want a large lot, maybe 80 foot, 100 foot, half acre, acre? Well, we're back in Harvest today in Argyle, and I have got some homes to show you. I'm going to get to that right now. We're back in Harvest today, and we're actually at Drees, which is a luxury builder that I wanted to show you. They are building here, and I'm sitting in one of their models right now, actually in the backyard, as you can see. It's a nice crisp day. As you can see, I have my sweater on. And if you like a crisp day with a warm sweater, then this is perfect. A little windy, so you'll just have to deal with my hair flying all over my face. But it's a beautiful backyard, and I show you more about that in the video. First, I want to tell you about Drees. Drees is a family-owned builder that's been around for about 96 years, and they do build a lot in the Hillwood community, which Harvest is a Hillwood community. And I love Hillwood. I've done a few videos on them, and I will do a few more because anytime they build a development, it's just great. Hillwood does a great master plan community with commercial and restaurants and churches and everything included. So they just want it to be a great community when they build that. And so Drees does a lot of building in Hillwood as well as other places. But like I said, Drees has been around, family owned, for 96 years. They build up in the East and the Midwest and also a lot in Texas. And I've been selling them for a long time, as you can tell. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about them and what a great company they are. And if you like a luxury home, this is a great place to start. Well, here in Harvest, they're almost closed out. They probably will be done by the middle of the summer, they said. And Harvest is almost closed out, so you just need to start buying here if you want to buy here. And Drees is building on 80-foot lots, which is 80 foot is across, 100-foot lots, which is 100 foot across, but way deeper. And also an acre lot, which I didn't even know there were acre lots here originally. So you can get a lot for your money here, depending on where you want to live in the community and how much you want to pay and what kind of luxury home you want. They only have 4 homes left in their 80-foot lot, and they are 1-story and 2-story homes. The square footages range from 3,500 on up to 4,761 square feet. The price ranges are from $1 million to $1.15 million. So it's a pretty nice size lot that you can get, and you're going to love the 80-foot lot. You're not close to your neighbor, and you're still in a great community, master plan community. On their 100-foot lots, they have 3 homes left, and those are pretty big lots. They're 100 by 160, or 2 of them are almost a half an acre. So you don't want an acre, but you want a half an acre. This may be where you want to go. The square footage on these homes is 3,803 square feet to 5,137 square feet. The price point on these homes start at $1,050,000, and they go up to $1,400,000. I'm DeDe Galindo, and this is the Fort Worth Homes for Sale channel. And this channel is all about what's going on in real estate in Fort Worth, Texas, and the surrounding areas. So if you're looking to move into Fort Worth or Dallas or any of the surrounding areas, please give us a call. All our information is below, and we'd love to talk to you and help you have a seamless move to Fort Worth, Texas, or the surrounding areas. Now let's get on with the video. Harvest has so many amenities here. I just can't believe how much they have to offer. Hillwood, who is the developer, always does such a great job at the amenities. They always win awards for their communities. The catch and release pond, like the one I have behind me, as well as another one which has miles and miles of walking trails on it. I see people walking on it all the time. They have a great amenity area with a gym in it, a gathering space with grills. You can watch the game out there, playgrounds. They have a social area. They have a dog park in this community. They have basketball hoops, a barn where they have other gatherings, parks where they have yoga classes. Just so many things to offer. I'm going to put a list on the screen because they just have so much to offer. And the HOA dues are $20.79 a year. You pay them twice a year, so you break it down. And that includes free internet and cable with that, as well as all these amenities. And of course, this land used to be farmland, so they renovated the original farmhouse, and now it's a coffee house right here in the community. They have so many things going on. They have an activity director who makes activities, and they have a calendar for that. She comes out and does the calendar. I think they have weekly and monthly activities, whatever you like, and they have a garden area. They actually have a real life farm called Harvest Farms that harvests out of this community, and they allow the residents to have little plots to grow things, and they help them with that. And they can grow their garden, and they can just, I mean, it's just so nice here. There's so much community here. There's little barns everywhere for harvest, and just so much to do. And there are 2 elementaries right here in the subdivision. One's on the outskirts and one's within it. And that is the Argyle Independent School District. You're gonna love that school district. It's top rated by niche.com. So just so much to offer here. So you've got to come see Harvest and visit it. And if you want to live in a master plan community and you want a smaller lot or a huge acre lot, you can have all that here. But today I'm going to take you and show you the acre lots and the ones just under that, so you can see what it's like to have a huge lot. So let's get to it. I'm over here where they're building the 1 acre lots for Drees and also another builder. And I just wanted you to see, because these 1 acre lots they're building, they only have 4 homes left that they're building. They are from 3,800 square feet on up to 5,000 square feet. And they're 1 and 2 story homes. They range from $1.5 million to $1.65 million. So you can get the wide variety, get 1 acre lot, plenty of space, whatever you need to do. Plus you get all the great amenities here. And I'm standing in front of a beautiful pond that is gorgeous, that you can walk around. It's really close to the 1 acre homes. So there's a lot to do here right around this part of the community. And then of course, Harvest offers a lot more than that. So we'll be right back. I'm standing in front of this beautiful Drees model. It is a luxury home. I can't wait to show it to you. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage home, 4,300 square feet. And it's not for sale right now, but when it is, it'll be sold with all the furniture in it for well over $1 million. So I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go take a look. You walk in through this beautiful front door into a wide hallway, and there to your right is the study. It's a large study, and in this model it's open, but you could easily enclose it with French doors or sliders or barn doors, whatever you want. It has plenty of space for anything that you want to do in this study, a home office or your corporate office, as well as it looks out into the front yard. Plenty of light and windows. And then on the other side, opposite of the study in the hallway, is the guest bedroom or the mother-in-law suite, whatever you want to call it, because you walk into this private hallway. To your left is the 3rd-car garage, so it has its own private entrance for your mother-in-law or your teenager or whoever that you want to live in this little ensuite area. And then you go into this private bedroom. It's a nice big bedroom with its own ensuite bath. Really nice ensuite bath, plenty of space there. It has a really nice closet. This is a great place for you to have a guest or a mother-in-law because it's own little ensuite with its own garage right there, entrance. And then you walk back into the main hall, and this is a floor to 2-story ceiling hallway, really light, bright, and open. And you keep walking in, you will get into the great room. The great room is stunning. I mean, there's so many touches in this luxury home. Really nice cabinetry in the kitchen, a huge island kitchen with quartz countertops, 1 large stainless steel sink for all your cooking needs. You could entertain, cook, whatever you like to do in this kitchen. There is plenty of cabinet space, plenty of cooking space, plenty of areas for you to bake or cook. It has a double oven. It has a very nice 6-burner gas cooktop with drawers underneath, and then it almost looks like a commercial range above it, but it says KitchenAid, so I'm not sure. But it is a really nice area for cooking, and it's right across from the sink. And then you have a really nice sized pantry to keep all your goods in, but there's plenty of storage in this kitchen. The cabinets go all the way to the ceiling, so there's no wasted space there. And then on the other side of the island is plenty of cabinets and spaces, so you have plenty of storage here. And then you'll love the appointments in this kitchen. You know, it has everything that you need, and I love the pendant lighting here. It's so beautiful. And then as you can see right behind me, overlooking the kitchen, it's open to the living area. It's a large living area, really nice, with a floor to ceiling fireplace that's gas with built-ins right on either side of it. And of course, you can do, this is the model, the home you buy may be a little different from this, but this is what they do in their homes. Really nice wood floors, large living area overlooking the large backyard with wall of windows, just light and bright, and the ceilings are beautiful. Just so many touches in this, and that's all open to a really large dining area. Perfect for entertaining guests. It'll hold a hutch. Also near the wall of windows and the door to the outside. Just really stunning, great room. Just so pretty, light and bright. And then of course you can also see that it's got a stunning staircase. We'll go upstairs in a minute, but I wanted you to notice this wood staircase that's winding with wrought iron spindles and wood banister. It's just really pretty. This is what you kind of get in a luxury home. But if you keep walking past the stairs, you will enter a private hallway. This is where your half bath is for your guests that are visiting. A really nice, quaint half bath. It's perfect for any guest or you if you're in the living room. And then if you kept walking down that hall, you will enter the primary bedroom. Primary bedroom is so large, it overlooks the backyard. It has a beautiful recessed ceiling right above the bed that's so stunning. Just plenty of space for any amount of furniture that you have. It's so beautiful. And as you walk in, there is a built-in bookcase right there to the right. You can put your books, or you can make it a little coffee bar if you like. Just have your little ensuite right there. And then of course I have to show you the primary bathroom. It is a huge, large, wide primary bathroom. And of course you have the dual sinks and the vanity area, which I love. We ladies love for doing our hair and our makeup right there. Just plenty of storage, really long. You can see plenty of space. Right across from that is the soaker tub. It's a beautiful soaker tub, plenty big. And then behind that is your wall-to-wall shower, walk-in shower. This is a very nice shower with dual rain heads. So if you want to take showers with multiple people, you can do that, I guess, and you can walk right in. And this is just a stunning bathroom with nice ceiling and appointments. And then of course you can go into your walk-in closet. Right to the right, you have your toilet area, and to the left, you have a really well-appointed walk-in closet with plenty of storage for your clothes. It goes all the way to the ceiling. Built-ins for your shoes, your sweaters. You have drawer space, and it just kind of turns around, and it has one of my favorite features in a house. It goes right into the laundry room. Now this laundry room actually sits down a hallway off the main hallway as you enter the house, and it goes to the 2-car garage, and there is a mud area there. But this is a really nice laundry room with a whole folding area and storage. You have a sink with area next to it, and then you hold a full-size washer and dryer with plenty of storage. And like I said, you walk right into your primary closet, so it's so easy, and it's plenty of space for you. And like I said, all this nice ensuite, the primary bedroom overlooking the backyard, the whole ensuite. This is your little paradise for you to go to when you're tired and you want to sleep or be alone. This is your little paradise. And when you're ready, you come out of your primary bedroom and you're in that great room, which is so light and bright and beautiful. And you can go up the winding stairs to get upstairs. You walk up these stairs, and these stairs overlook the downstairs. When you get to the top, there's a small landing that overlooks the downstairs, so you can see that. And then you enter to the right into a huge game room. This is a really nice appointed game room. They have a living area there. They have a gaming table. You can have plenty of space for a pool table. You could just have different gaming areas if you want. Just plenty of space, a playroom for your kids. and that walks into a true media room. Now they have it open to the game room, but of course you can enclose that and have a true media room, dark. You can see it's very nice. It has a bar in the back, beautifully appointed bar for your snacks and your treats and entertainment. And it's just a very nice media room. And it's nice to have a game room and a media room in the house. When you come out of the media room through the game room, you walk back across that catwalk, and right to the right is another bedroom. This is a ensuite bedroom. It's nice size. It has a walk-in closet, and it has its own bathroom. So it's its little own ensuite, and it's perfect size, really private. And then right down that hall is to the left is another area with built-in desks. This could be a desk for your kiddos to do their homework, or if you need a place to do office work or bills, it's all built in. It's nice. It has a little area that overlooks the downstairs, but for the most part, it sits in a little private area. And then you keep going down that little hall, you see a linen closet on the right side, and then on the left side, you have another bathroom. This bathroom is for the fourth bedroom, but it also is for your guests to use while they're upstairs in the game room and the media room. Nice appointed bathroom, and it's right next to the other fourth bedroom, which is a nice sized fourth bedroom with a nice walk-in closet, plenty of space. So this house really has everything you could need. You know, it's got 2 bedrooms upstairs with a game room and the media room. And then it's got its private little guest area downstairs with its own ensuite. And then you have your private area for your own primary bedroom. This house is wide, it's airy, it's light, but I just have to show you the outside. It's a wall of windows into the living and dining room and great room that overlooks the outside, and you can use those sliders to open up and get outside. And on this model, they have extended the patio so that you have a little living area and a dining area, and then you have a whole fire pit area, and it is stunning. It is just gorgeous. This is a large backyard, very nice size. You can see that there's plenty of space here, plenty of great entertaining or playing with your kiddos outside. It's just another living area out there. So that gives you an extra living space in this beautiful home. So what I'd like to do is drive you around Harvest and show you a little more about Harvest and let you see how great that is. And then we'll be right back. What'd you think of those Drees homes on those big lots? Are you loving Harvest and all that it has to offer and the different choices you have in homes? Well, leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about all this. And if you like this community, if you want to see more builders in this community, I'd love to hear from you. And if you're looking to move anytime soon, give me a call. Let me talk to you about your wants and needs, and I will help you have a seamless move to Fort Worth, Texas, or the surrounding areas. Now I will see you in the next video.